How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get six-pack abs step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So to get six-pack abs, you should combine two methods. The first method is getting to a lower body fat percentage, roughly 10 to 14% body fat. The second method is we actually have to develop muscle in the abs because the abs are a muscle group. They're just like your chest, your back, your biceps. So we need to develop muscle in the abs. So with that approach, the first thing that I recommend to do actually, unless you're extremely overweight, if you're sitting 18, 19% body fat, that's fine. But if you're really overweight, like 30, 40% body fat, then you're gonna wanna lose weight. If you're between 15 to 20% body fat, I actually recommend you gain weight. Because what we want to do, the first thing we want to do is develop muscle in the abs. Once we've developed the muscle in the abs, you can then lose the body fat. I think this is a good approach because what a lot of people will do is a lot of people that start this are going to be skinny. And if they take this approach and they're already skinny, they're going to get really, really, really skinny, which we don't want. So the best thing you can do is to gain weight first. You got to make sure though you're targeting your abs at least 3 times a week in the gym. I recommend doing weighted exercises. You can do body weight. It's just much harder to build muscle with body weight unless you know what you're doing. Building muscle with body weight exercises is much, much harder than weights. Weights is very simple. You add weight every week. Super simple. So with that being said, a couple exercises I recommend to do. First exercise is to grab a dumbbell or a plate, say 20 pounds, lift it directly overhead and hold it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, bring it down, take a 1-minute break, grab the weight again, hold directly overhead for 1 minute. Do a total of 5 sets. Every time you're in the gym, try to increase that number by 5 pounds. If for 1 week you can't do it, that's fine. Just do the same weight. Keep doing the same weight until eventually you can do an extra 5 pounds. This is going to develop crazy ab strength. Your abs are going to get bigger. The next exercise that you can do is if you have access to a lat pull down, put the bar attachment by your head and then just do crunches with it. That is another weighted ab movement. If you don't have access to a lat pull down machine, get a 25-pound plate, a 10-pound plate, hold it directly behind your head and just do sit-ups with it. Very simple, very easy. That's what I recommend for ab exercises. You do this for your abs, I 100% guarantee you will get a shredded six-pack. Very easy to do. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.